While the pandemic may not be over, the CDC does say we're closer to a point where COVID's not a constant crisis. And with new cases dropping and 65% of Americans now vaccinated, it plans to ease up on its mask guidance as early as next week, with a focus on encouraging prevention measures when they're needed most. New cases in Ohio also falling from about 12,000 3 weeks ago to less than 2,000 today.
So with changes coming to how we handle COVID-19, News 5's Clay Lepard takes a closer look at where we stand and what's next.
The signs are up, and county leaders say nearly 100,000 people will descend onto Cleveland for the NBA All-Star Weekend.
This is an exciting time for Cleveland. We're going to be on the center court.
And what a difference a month makes for health leaders preparing for all those fans.
January 1, Cuyahoga County had the highest case rate in the state of Ohio for COVID-19. That represented both the Delta and Omicron convergence. By January 24th, we had the lowest case rate in the state. And around us, communities continue to drop as well.
The county is planning a COVID-19 vaccination clinic Friday afternoon at Tower City for fans. But for health leaders, this spotlight shines a little differently than, say, the NFL draft last April.
This drop has been so rapid that we just really want to make sure it's going to come down and stay down.
For Summit County Health Commissioner Donna Skota, this drop in new COVID-19 cases, still in the midst of winter, marks a shift from the past.
I think what we're looking at here is we have a lot of folks who have been vaccinated. We have a lot of folks who have had the disease. And so we're seeing this sort of drop off like Omicron was famous for around the world.
With the pandemic in the rearview mirror and an endemic COVID-19 ahead of us, Skota says her team is focused on trying to vaccinate parts of the population not vaccinated or not boosted. As for how to shift away from what's been a 2-year-long alternate universe, Skota says that will vary.
You really have to evaluate your situation personally, know about the vulnerable folks in your lives, and really try to take care of yourself.
Clay Lepard, News 5.